If you are thinking to get your license, then don't forget about that. To qualify for an EASA aircraft maintenance license, students must undergo the practical on-the-job training under the qualified supervision and the approved organization. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is on-the-job training, when you will require that and from where you can do that, and what regulation says about the OJT requirements. What things you should know before going to the OJT. After completing your 2 years of basic training, most students make mistake while choosing the right organization for the on-the-job training. Passing all the modules is a big achievement, but not enough to get your license. You need to have additional practical experience to the real and live aircraft. So what exactly on-the-job training is? So job training is the real world maintenance experience. It's not the theory you studied, and it's not the practical that your school teaches you. It's you on the actual aircraft doing the real maintenance work under the supervision of the licensed engineer. Recent EASA rules, June 2024, additionally specify a minimum Part 145 experience category at B1.1, B1.3 and B2 candidates need at least 1 year or more than that at Part 145 organization. And category A, B1.2 and B1.4 and B3 candidates need at least 6 months or more than that, and the remainder may be from other approved maintenance organization. So when choosing the Part 145 organizations for your OJT, make sure that the OJT plan they provide is approved by the authority from which you will obtain your license. So now, where and how to do the OJT? For the EASA license, OJT must occur in a EASA Part 145 approved maintenance organization for at least 1 year depending on your category, with an A rating, or equivalent national authority facility. For Indian or the Bangladeshi students aiming for an EASA license, this means finding a Part 145 facility recognized by a European national CAA or EASA. This OJT plan should be approved by the licensing authority that will issue your license. So now, duration, tasks and requirements. Under EASA Part-66, the minimum experience ranges from 6 months to the 5 years depending on your license category. It can be A, B1, B2 or C. The duration depends on your pathways, but typically you need 1 to 2 years of practical experience in the real maintenance environment. During this time, you must complete a wide range of tasks across different ETA chapters, including inspection, removal and installation, testing, basic troubleshooting, etc. What you should know before going for the OJT. You should have the basic understanding of the aircraft maintenance and ETA chapters, at least the fundamentals. Get familiar with the maintenance manuals like AMM, IPC, SRM, because the real maintenance work always follows the manuals. Know the basic tools like torque range, multimeter and safety wiring techniques, and understand the documentation, work cuts, take logs and CRS, and most importantly, be aware of the safety procedures and human factors like the fatigue and the communication. Now, what you must take care during the OJT. Always be hands-on, don't just watch. Actively participate in tasks. Record every task immediately after completion. Never rely on the memory. Get your supervisor's signature at the time of the task, not later. Make sure you cover the multiple ETA systems. Show broad experience. And most importantly, always be honest and accurate in your records. Your credibility depends on it. Each task must be performed under the supervision, recorded properly and signed by a qualified certifying engineer. And remember, it's not about how many tasks you write, it's about how well your experience is documented and verified. Now, there are a few tips to get succeed in OJT. Now, let's talk about what actually works. Tip number 1. Study AMM chapters before your OJT starts. AMM means Aircraft Maintenance Manuals. When you already know what an oil filter replacement procedures looks like, then you perform it with confidence, right? Tip number 2. Maintain a personal notebook alongside your logbook. Write tools used, reference numbers, ETA chapters, and this makes the logbook entries accurate and detailed. Tip number 3. Build your relationship with your supervisor. They are validating your experience, so be punctual. Ask smart questions and show genuine interest. Tip number 4. Cross-check your progress with the EASA Appendix 3 task lists every month. Don't let 6 months pass and discover you missed an entire system. Tip number 5. Use English for all the entries. Even if you are in India or Bangladesh, EASA authorities cannot grant credit for all the entries they can't read. So start now, find your Part 145 organization, plan your task list, write every entry the same time, and never ever let someone bulk sign your logbook. If this video helped you, subscribe because the next video is entirely about AME logbook, and trust me, you cannot afford to miss it. Drop a comment below with the new questions about OJT and I will answer every single one.